I forget which picture. Which one?
The blue one with the Volcom sign?
Okay.
Thanks. Dude.
Did you change your mind?
Yeah, the red one.
Oh.
Hey!
Okay. It might take me a while because it's Costco.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. Thank you. Oh my god, she's coming back. Okay, thank god.
Oh.
Yo!
What?
Chill with that.
What?
You just rattled me up.
Sorry.
Don't freaking slam it. You're gonna break the glass.
Sorry.
Did you want the family size or the regular size?
Regular, baby.
Hey, sorry.
Not again.
What are you doing?
You're in trouble. You're in trouble.
No.
Do you want to put some B&M?
No.
I forgot my bag. Can I have my bag?